Hi, I'm Alish Shambadi. I'm 15 years old, and my product is called a Raspberry Pi-based, low-cost, contactless vital signs monitor.
2 years ago, when my mother was recovering from a third-degree heart block, she said that the countless monitors she was hooked up to made her feel more worse than she actually was. Later, the news of infectious diseases like Ebola compelled me to work on contactless vital signs monitors that not only ensures the well-being of patients, but also protects healthcare providers. Such monitors would double up as powerful triaging tools that can help flatten curves during pandemics like our current COVID-19 situation.
My device has two main parts. First, the Pimoroni MLX 9640 thermal IR camera and the Raspberry Pi near-infrared camera. The thermal IR camera outputs any object in front of it in the form of a heat map. Here you can clearly see an image of my hand. Next, the normal camera sends its video feed to the Raspberry Pi, where the video feed is analyzed to output the heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels. All of this information is then sent over to the app that displays these 5 main vital signs along with the photo of the patient, or me. And lastly, which is really cool, the device also displays a video of the patient. It does all of this entirely contactlessly.
Detecting the heart was the most challenging part. After several days of research, I realized that the frequency of the artificial light was the main cause. As heart rate is obtained through remote photoplethysmographic techniques or optical techniques, the device kept confusing the natural fluctuation of the heart rate with the artificial light fluctuations. I solved this problem by continuing my testing in natural light. After a total of 1,218 tests, I found that my device had an overall accuracy of 87.2% and that the cost of my prototype is around $127. In the future, I'd like to implement the following. 1. Coded frequency filters to remove the artificial light problem. 2. Up the privacy. 3. Use Raspberry Pi Zeros to further lower the cost. I'm also working with a pair garage venture capitalist to build a company around this device. Thank you for listening.